guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my Benzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. I'm joined by Shake It Matondo.
Yebo njani mfethu?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila bhuti wami, siyaphila. Sibonga nje igame. Seyidlalile yadlula igame.
Yeah.
Ngi-football player ke mina.
Yes.
It's not easy ukudlala ibhola.
Yeah.
It's not easy ukudlalela iclub efana ne-Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Mawuzokhumula kahle ukuqala kwesizini. Umbuthuma bengeneze super sub. Besiqala ngomahabu ngomahobo.
Yes.
Lapha kwi-left back besina uHoto.
Yeah.
uHoto is an engine of Orlando Pirates.
He is.
And Talent Mbatha is an engine also of Orlando Pirates.
He is.
Makhetleni Makaula i-engine ye-Pirates.
He is.
And then besinombokazi was a leader futhi at the back. Njengamanje sinawo sibisi ibhodlela. Cha ngithanda into enziwa abalandeli bethu kubhodlela. It's not easy ukuba i-player. It's not easy ukudlalela i-club efana ne-Pirates. Lento enziwa abalandeli phela ngicela siyekeni. Ngeke ngithi into abalandeli esiyenza sabalandeli ngicela siyekeni. Siqhubeni. It's too early to predict ukuthi league seyihambile. Ngicela sibuyeni nethemba sisazodlala ama-game asazodlala about 9 games. 9 games to come. It's not about wonke lama 9 games asele from Sundowns azowina wonke. Sundowns before isazostrugglisha for 3 games to come.
Sure.
I'm telling you. Isazolahlekelwa u6 point to 9 point. Ngiyababona umakhelwane wami-Kaizer Chiefs. Angeke i-Sundowns iwin against i-Kaizer. And i-Sundowns isazodlala no-Polokwane City. Isazodlala no-TS Galaxy. Which means it's not all the remaining games at all 3 points. Isazodlala kanzima. Isazothola bhakane asibuyeni so support i-team. Sazoyithatha iligi ithuba kusingelethu. Ngiyabonga mfethu ngisuke Newcastle branch ikhona nami ngiyabonga.
Asibonge bhuti omdala.
Bonga
ngivala ngeRodman.
Yeah, ngibuye Eastern Cape man. Yeah, but ngila kwesite ngoku. Bendile ikhosi but benifuna iPirates win because as a football supporter if i-league is a continue she win iSundowns is our loser. So we need Mapagania. Ninga koni bash players nilwa ne coaches because the management and if Mapagania ikhalazel. You lose Mbogazi, you lose Nkothe, you lose Saleng, you lose Mabas to your rivals. So Mapagania mawabekezele ana 2 cups Nandiliko's asna next yabo. So yabo Mapagania mawanga bihash ngoba i-Alach yakatemu ngoku whereby aluza 1 game coach. So Mapagania Sipho man bendikusupporta from Eastern Cape. I-Alach yakatemu ngoku is-Pirates lose 1 game because before you lose against Sundowns been 14 games without a lose. Lose against Sundowns coach Magara. Now we drawshile today but ina 2 trophies. And if him to okhalazela management because the management lose players as crucial. Ithengisa uMbokazi on January. Yaluza uNkothe before isizini iqala. Yane issue no Saleng no Mabasa. So ezo zinto zinide bazifixe and what is still new akana experience yo chase league. So amabhakaniya mawuhlisa umoya a support team yawo a enjoy football. Ko esebaleni ayalwa ne players ayalwa odwa on social media. So Sipho ndiyabulela man ngelithuba unike lona.
Thank you bhuti omdala.
Ngiyabulela.